So what I did was bought a clutch kit from Modern Driveline, 66 F100. The problem is the 66 and the 65 firewalls are different. So with the traditional way of doing it, they wanted to go up here and just put the fitting here on here, and it won't work because there's the recess here that we have on these 66s and 65 two-wheel drives. So what I had to do was to move it over, and I moved it over approximately 3.5 inches from there's a bolt right here that the stop bolts to, and so it's lined up perfectly with this thing right here. So I could have just put a bushing with a long bolt through here, but I decided not to, just to build this little spaced out area here and reinforced it. But it seems like it's going to be working fine. I had to basically go in and put it where the knockout was. If you know these trucks, there's a knockout right here. And so what I did was I located this center right on the knockout hole and drilled 1 3/8, I believe it is, hole in here. And if I go out here to the firewall, I'll show you where this is here. And there's where it mounts. If this bothers you being crooked, then you may have to do something different, because they come and it says it may be a little bit crooked. You may be able to opt out for a different master cylinder with a remote reservoir that won't do this, or won't be so obvious. But it doesn't matter to me. It's fine. And then I still have room for my stock power, or my emergency brake, to come through right there. So that's it. There's a little bit of a trick to figure out, but I think we've got it now. If you guys are putting a hydraulic system on your truck, on your F100s, 1965 to 1966, with the embossed firewall support right here, that's what you do. All right.